Alright, what's up travelers? Here today is Kyle. Peak Design is known for making some of the best camera gear on the market, and this is their first dedicated outdoor for camping, hiking, outdoor elements, anything to help stand Mother Nature. Alright, so let's dive in. The first thing you can notice is this incredible cinch roll at the top where you have a flap on the exterior. This goes in and folds all the way in like a dry bag in the interior. So this backpack is so collapsible. As you can see, look how flat this is. This is exactly what I like to see out of an outdoor backpack and a hiking backpack, because usually this will not be your main item to get to where you're trying to go. This is something that you're going to use as you're doing outdoor activities, and so therefore you need this to be as collapsible as possible. And that's one thing I absolutely love about this. It's easy to pack, but then also very versatile for you to use on the go. One gripe I do have about this is, as you see with this fold away, you can see inside, but when you do fold it, it is a little awkward to sort of get this in here. So it has different sizing, right, in terms of how you fold this in, and it helps with the straps. But then one thing I'd like to see is if there was some form of a clip on the top for extra security, because if you don't really truly, snap this in, and let's say we have heavy downpour and you have a bunch of electronic equipment in here, that opens up some risk for wetness. So you need to be extra careful making sure that it's sealed. So this is magnetic, so that helps. As you can see, as you can hear that clip in. So I alluded to the side pockets. Let's say you were traveling with a tripod. That can be very, very important if you're doing travel photography or adventure photography outside. Let's see how this fits on the side pockets, and no less than the Peak Design travel tripod in carbon fiber. So as you can see, it fits quite snug, quite nice though. It just gives you the sense of how flexible this outside is. This tripod is quite big and very flexible. It can be expanded. It's heavier, but this seems to hold it quite nice. So as you can see, as it fits right here, it's quite nice. Another awesome feature about this is the cord rails that align the outside, and then zippers right here, which is a game changer for me. Just like any adventure, like photography backpack, you really have a hard time finding different spots to place things that are secure and are going to be dry. Right here, you have the best protected lining right here, and then a full zipper. So if you need something that's a quick grab, that's easily accessible right here, and the exterior attachment straps all the way around here. You have more up top here, and then a handle for carrying at the top, along with even more attachment straps lining the entire exterior, which, as you know, if you have other Peak Design accessories, that becomes incredibly valuable for adding on top of. You can opt for a smaller 25 liter. You don't need 40 plus liter bag. You can attach a tech pouch, small or large, a sling bag, among other things, right? And so that ends up being a very, very versatile aspect of this. The other gripe I do have about this is, potentially strap overload. One thing I do not like about certain backpacks is having way too many straps, right? Where at some point you don't even really know what to do with all of them, because you're not gonna, always tie all of these up, and you'd rather have something that's a little bit more uniform fitting. You do have straps coming out. So that's just one personal thing that I always notice with backpack is just, over usage of straps. You never want to have to rely on straps. You'd rather have the backpack be flexible enough to fit the items that you need. And while straps give you flexibility, you probably want a little bit more compartmentalization of the backpack itself. All right, so that concludes our unboxing initial reaction of the Peak Design outdoor backpack in white, the 25 liter. I'll leave a link in the description below for where you can find and purchase this backpack. Overall, I absolutely love it. I can't wait to use it. This is essential for biking in those rainy days in Europe, as well as hiking and any outdoor adventure. By the quality and the exterior, I'm very, very confident in terms of its ability to handle all of the elements. The only downsides really are just some of the small things of potential risks with some openings at the ends, and then some just design aspects with straps more of a personal matter, but overall, absolutely love the first look at this. Can't wait to give this a shot. And if you love travel gear, travel products, and anything travel related, subscribe to the Via Travelers channel. This is Kyle signing off. Thanks for watching.